Morning, student. Today's activity is circle the different number. Okay? Fresh. Write the different letter. Circle the different letter. Sorry. Very good. Which number? 1. Very good. Akshara, go. Go and circle the different number. Yes. Which number? 3. Very good. Come. Sure. Others, go. Yes. Which number, others? 4. Very good. Come. Shashwati, go. Shashwati, circle the different number. Circle it. Circle. Circle it, Shashwati. Okay. Which number? 1. Shivansh, circle the number. Circle the different number. No, different number. Different number, Shivansh. Circle it. Very good, Shivansh.